This is the Maruti Suzuki ERTIGA. This is the VXI variant. You can see it comes with projector headlamps, no fog lights on this. This is the grey shade. Comes with steel rims. 15-inch. This 15-inch tires. So let's take a walk around of the vehicle outside, and then we'll take a look at the interiors. So this is the interiors. Comes with steering mounted controls, speedometer, tachometer. Does not come with touchscreen on this, only the top end variant gets that. Manual AC controls, dual tone interiors, adjustable headrest. Even second row gets adjustable, third row also gets adjustable. You can see there's a AC blower here and pretty big dashboard. So this, I'm sitting in the back seat. It comes with a power outlet for charging. This is how the dashboard looks from the back seat. And second row, blower controls. And that's the third row. Half 50-50 split. So you can see one seat is folded down and another seat is on, like, in the normal position. And this is how I'm sitting. There's a armrest here too. Well, so the aim for this video is to reach 1000 likes. If we can reach 1000 likes, I'll make a detailed test drive video. This was just a walk around. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to hit on that like button. Your support is all I need so that I can make more detailed videos. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. This is Rishabh Chatterjee signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.